See how it works.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, like snaps.
What is that in your hand? What is it?
I'm a snap you.
It's a rock. Let me see what type of rock this. Oh, it's a smooth rock. It is smooth.
No, it's not small. It's big than rock. Let's see the types of rocks.
Mm-hmm.
Types of rock is samurai.
What?
Samurai.
Sedimentary?
Sedimentary. Yeah. Sedimentary is a rock.
Okay, can we?
And the rock is turning to a tree.
No, the rock don't turn into a tree. What else you want to look for? Let's see some of the things that God created.
Okay.
Let's go. God created the rock. Let's go looking to see what else can you identify. So we found a sedimentary rock.
Okay. First, we need to find Madawanti rock.
What you need to find?
Let's see the types that rocks can do.
Okay. What's this?
Let's pick it up. It's a Madawanti rock.
How many rocks do you have?
1 and 2. And whoa.
What is it?
An ant.
Oh, it's an ant.
An ant's going to trick us to the ant's going to take for the rocks.
Yeah, let's see if the ant is going towards the rock. What's this here? That you have?
So what's and the ant is gone.
It's gone?
Yeah. Rugs made of church. Whoa, there's a lot of photos you can be control. This is a stick walk. It's a stick walk, Mom.
No, sticks are not rock. That's a plant.
That's not a plant.
Yeah, it
Mommy.
comes from the tree. Look.
I said no, that's not a plant.
What is it?
It's a real stick from a rock.
It is not from the rock, Joshua.
Because it's a stick from the rock. See? What the stick from a rock did?
Joshua, the rock is not alive. It's not alive, but the plant, the tree is alive.
Not the please. Please don't do that. I like the tree.
What you said?
The tree is going to make me hurt.
How?
Because you're going to hurt your head.